If you want a clean, classy bun that's stress-free and simple and instantly gives those put together don't play with me vibes, then this video is for you.
Say what? Yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Say what? Girl, you know what's up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name remains Shoyoye. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. So this video is a tutorial of how I make a slick bun, like a slick ponytail bun. Whether you have a relaxed hair or you have a natural hair, it works for both. So right there, I'm showing you what my hair looks like before we start. Fresh, clean, and not slick yet. Let's talk products. I'll be using a black gel, edge control, hair extension, combs, tail comb, rubber bands, and styling rope. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps. First things first, grab a regular comb and make sure your hair is smooth and free of lumps. Take your time. Lumpy buns are cute on no one, okay? Now I'm switching to a tail comb to get everything even smoother. The smoother the base, the cleaner the bun will look in the end. Here's my hairband, but feel free to use any band you have at home. As you pack your hair, make sure it's not loose on any side. You want it firm, neat, and centered. Now I am tightening with a styling rope to help it stay in place later. This step is super helpful if your hair easily puffs back up, like mine. Note that it should be firm and tight, but not too tight. Also, do not tie the rope till the end. You want to leave part of the rope for later. It's gel time. Now we are bringing in the black gel. You have to scoop it and apply it evenly around your hair. Do not forget the back. The gel is what gives that slick, glossy, don't talk to me, I look expensive finish. The quantity of gel you want to use is totally up to you. In this video, you can see that I am using the brush to smoothen everything down. And you have to work on it very well. I'll be repeating and saying that the quantity of gel you want to use totally depends on you. Me, I wanted my hair to stay for a couple of days, so the more the gel you put, the longer it stays. Next thing, I am doing a mini braid at the back. This helps us to attach the extension neatly and gives the rope or a band something to hold on to. Remember I said that we should not tie the rope up until the end. This is where it's needed. So I'm using the rope to tighten the mini braid so as to allow it to be firm. If your natural hair is long enough for you and you like the bun volume, you can totally stop here. Now for extra volume, let's attach the extension. I am using a rubber band at the base of the extension to secure my hair. Pull it tightly enough to be firm but not painful. Now I am braiding the extension, and this part is very optional. You can choose how thick or tight you want your braid to be. I'm using a rubber band to secure the end of the extension. Once the extension is braided, roll it around in a bun shape. Make sure you roll it so that the tip ends up at the bottom, not the top. Then secure the tip with a rubber band at the base of the bun, not the top layer, so it looks seamless. Now I am trimming any stray hairs with a pair of scissors so it looks polished. Going back in with gel is optional, but you know me, I love that extra shine. Lastly, we are laying these edges with hair control. It's a hair wax, nice and cute, but not too dramatic. Just enough to say that, oh yeah, I did this. I feel like a lot of people struggle with laying their edges, and I'm going to be dropping a tutorial on how to lay your edges later. I am kind of like a perfectionist, so I just wanted it to be very well and be smooth and shine. And that's it. Clean, classy, and sleek. Let me know if you try this style, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty content. Looking cute and put together can be simple, just like this one. See you in my next video. If you got to the end of the video, thank you very much. Please kindly like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.